there hasn't been a single native Spanish speaker who has ever said that I'm not fluent or that my Spanish isn't good at all, okay? I've actually only gotten praise from natives of my Spanish. The only people that have criticized my Spanish saying it's super bad, or even though I don't even claim that I have good Spanish, like my Spanish is not that good. Like I always say that. It's just conversational, but that's the goal, right? It's back and forth. That's what I want. Is that my cat? Yeah. But it reminded me of the fact that like you'll never find, and this is gonna sound kind of cliche or something, but you'll never find someone doing better than you hating on you. The people who only hate on you are the people who are doing worse than you. And that's such a funny, like it sounds so cliche and cringe if you like say it, right? But it is so real when I think about like, when I would get criticized in my Spanish, people saying like, oh, no one takes you seriously, right? The people who say that are people who have spent thousands of hours of time spent studying on Spanish. And so they're jealous. They're jealous that someone else got fluent so much faster. And so for them, it just doesn't compute in their brain. They get like a glitch, right? It's like a bug. They can't understand it. And so they have to deny reality, the reality that I actually did get fluent in 120 hours of studying. Because when reality doesn't align with their beliefs, reality is wrong, not their beliefs. And it's really sad because false beliefs is the reason why, like if you don't think something's possible, it doesn't matter like what method I give you, the strategy I give you. If you don't believe it's possible, you fundamentally won't do it. And so like I just think, I say this at the end of my videos. The reason why I say stay humble at the end of every video is to promote open-mindedness and to promote like humbleness in the sense of humility, because I find it's in my belief that if reality contradicts what you believe, there's a level of humility in admitting that you're wrong and reality isn't wrong. And the people that say reality is wrong, the things that they do aren't conducive to their goals. And so if they do things that don't get them to their goal fast enough, and when someone tells them, hey, do things more conducive to your goals to achieve them faster, and here's proof of why that works, they deny the proof and then write off and sort of explain away the strategy, right? And so it doesn't matter, like the strategy could be the best thing ever. If someone denies reality, you can't help them. And so, like, when I say stay humble, what I'm really saying is be open-minded and break things down with logic and facts rather than denying them. Because denying logic and facts and proof is denying yourself, because it's denying your own ability to achieve your goal. Because belief is step 0 to doing the thing. And so I can tell you do the thing, but if you don't even like believe that it's possible, you won't ever do it. And so like that's one reason to why I wanted to do these streams. It's because I want to show people like, hablo español. Es posible aprender español en 3 meses, 6 meses. Sí es posible.